some truths about online teaching. One is it takes longer. So people have an expectation, some teachers have an expectation who haven't done it. Oh, this is be so great, I can save time. The only thing you save is a commuting time. You don't save time in preparation. Preparation takes longer. You need to be careful about it. You need to be thorough about it. You need to break students' assignments and work into smaller chunks because attention spans are shorter. You know, think about it. You know, a student is sitting at home. Well, you know, he can play with the dog while there's an online class going on, play with the dog, watch the television, use his phone, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So you really need to hold their attention. And one way to do that is to break everything into smaller pieces. This requires more intensive management by the teacher and more intensive preparation. Therefore, teachers need to reduce their expectations for classes. They're not going to be able to cover. You can't just take their syllabus that was in class and now put it on Zoom and expect that you're going to now cover all the same material. You need to have these detailed class agendas. You need to budget more time for preparation. You need to have these smaller segments, and you need to actively involve the students in the class. I'm going to try to do this with this program today and in subsequent weeks, although I have to tell you, I'm going to sort of violate my own guidance today, just because I'm trying to cover a lot of background material about what the tools are for online learning. And in subsequent weeks, we'll spend more time in interactive formats, working with them to solve particular issues that you may have.